Hey everyone, okay, so how cool does that look? Now, if you're into that kind of winged eyeliner, all that kind of stuff, but you've got very hooded eyes and it's a near impossibility to do that, and believe me, it can be a near impossibility if you've got a very hooded eye, this is what you're going to love. Now, this is from LASHIFY, of course. It is absolutely amazing. It's called Edge, and I'll put it all on the screen. It's in conjunction with, and it gives you this perfect winged cat eye effect that is so beautiful. It doesn't matter what hooded eye you've got, it doesn't matter what eye shape you've got, it will give you that effect. I have been a lover of LASHIFY from day one. I've been talking about it for years and years, and they keep coming out with the most incredible things. They've got these colored ones at the minute that are so beautiful. I've done a video on them, you'll see it. But this is perfect. This gorgeous, gorgeous flick on anyone. If you have hooded eyes and they're just a nightmare, sometimes all you need is this. Just LASHIFY will give you the drama you're looking for without ever needing to do an eyeshadow. This isn't sponsored, by the way. There you go. Oh, it's so good. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.